Hi there, in this video I will explain what tooltips are and how to make them more informative for your clients. I will use the New York Yellow Taxi dataset with trip records data for July 2021. As always, you can download the file used in this video via the link in the description. We don't have much time, so come on, let's go. A little bit of theory. Tooltips in Power BI are those little rectangles that appear near visualization elements when you hover the mouse pointer over one of them. Something like this. However, your tooltips shouldn't be that boring. You can always take them to the next level. For example, you can create a report inside the report. Now I'm gonna create a tooltip containing 3 visuals you see below the main chart. It is expected to look like this. Off we go! First of all, let's copy the visuals we want to use. Let's create a new page, rename it. Let's change its size. And background. Let's paste our elements. Place them appropriately. Let's add a title and format it properly. And the most important step is to make this page available as a tooltip. Okay, one thing has left to be done, namely we should choose our page as the tooltip we want to use. It can be done here. Done. Now you know how to make your tooltips better, don't you? See you. Bye.